show you what we did this week in our class. So for our beginner lesson, we did our basic 1, 2, 3, lead turn, lady turn. Leads on 1, ladies 5. We did our regular crossbody lead. We did a crossbody lead with a turn. And then the move, for the move for the day, we did crossbody lead, open break. 1, 2, 3. Push 5, open 6, 7. Leaders, back step left. 1, lift 2, 3. Changing sides, back step 5, 6, 7. 2 turns. 1, lift 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic, and you're done. And now for our advanced class. We did leader's turn, turn the lady, hook turn for the guy, 5, 6, right to right, 7. Small circle 1, big circle 2, 3, putting it behind your head. Catapult your lady around you. 5, 6, men turn left, 7. Get right to right handshake. Crossbody lead with a type of S turn. We go 1, 2, 3. Pull 5, double above the head to the shoulder, getting into 360 position. Gentlemen, 360. 1, 2, 3. Ladies, we can do kind of Betty Boop. Come across. 5, 6, 7. Open break. 1, 2, connect. 3. Turn your partner. 5, 6. Hands on your right shoulder. 7. Hands are going to go right, left. Footwork goes side, back, left, and then, we'll do that. So footwork goes back, left, right, left, and you're trying to get in a crossbody lead position. Pull her across for an inside turn. 5, 6, 7, basic, and you're done. But that's everything for this week. So please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you can get more salsa and bachata videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye guys.